Umentri rangba akjelau Konrad Konggal Sangma uloong baka parti Kongres Kamdei man Kynthoh halor ke Sinjam kaban nakaliang jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala shim Iadei baka Pynbeit yu put usam hapdang ka jela Assam bat Meghalaya namar ba watla kala yo shibon kilat handrai kam shim la shim khia yakne ka benta. Umentri rangba uloong ru baka Sorkar ka baladem kalale yala ka kamram kumta nakaliang ka Sorkar MDA ka khlam yele politics lane ban shim ya ka buram tang marway hendrai ka ne ka dikamat ka badang hab ban peteng ha ka ba baro kin hab ban yadon bentalang ula ban rap ru ban nakaliang ka Kongres ka de ban sothu ba ya ka ne kamat menta habala ya shakman ban yo ban Pynbeit no ya ka ne kamat ban harangkat ka jing ai jing kersan lang na kipat ba bakan urlong no kumta de ban kiar na ka jingele politics but de ban penle jingmun na ka benta ka jingpha ki nong song snong.
No, see, there is no reason to do that. Of course, one has to realize that Congress had the opportunity to resolve it many years, but no steps were taken. But it is only at this time that we are taking the steps. I have been very clear in my stand also that say that past governments have done their part. So therefore, I'm not trying to play politics on anything credit for we moving forward. I'm saying that it's been always a continuous process and everybody has played their role. So at this point, Congress also should realize that they're seeing that there's a process that's moving forward. This needs a resolution, and there is a very strong support from the public also for this to happen. So I think at this point in time, one has to not get into the politics of things and try to see the greater good for the people in the states.